Welcome to Portable Modular Railroads. In the previous video, I showed you how to make your styrofoam base for scenery. In this video, we're going to flock it with grass. We start with half a liter of water and some green acrylic paint. Now you can use a cheap blender to mix this. We need to mix it up well. And I might add a little bit more color. Add clean sifted sawdust. I would put on some kitchen gloves because this is pretty messy. And I'm going to start out with 3 handfuls of sawdust. And I'm going to darken it up. There's some expensive turf in the background. I'm kind of going for that color. And then I finally went down and got a cheap blender, and I'm adding some black. You can make as much of this as you want. It's not very expensive. Now I'm going to lay it out on a sheet of plastic, and I'll spread it out, and I'm going to let this dry, but I'm going to fold it over with a knife several days. I want to make sure it's completely dry. Now we start to sift it out. I use this coarse turf for other things. So this is the finished product. Pretty nice. Now I'm going to lay down half water and a PVA glue mix. Half water and half PVA glue. They say Elmer's glue yellows over time. I haven't seen it actually. I'm just going to start to lay on this. You can't just lay it on thick and then flip it over and tap off the excess. And I'll place a little shabby tree for inspiration. Now through these elevations, we're going to layer a lot of trees and bushes. You're just going to see the rocks as highlights. But this is a pretty nice base to start out with. We're going to detail these. I'm going to fine detail each one of these modules. I'll just take a module off, put it on my workbench, and start to do the detail. You can cover over those big cracks with bushes and trees. It's a really nice base for a kid's starter set. You may like the look of this. So thanks for watching Portable Modular Railroads. We'll see you in the next time.